In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot in Shotcut. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So the first thing you need to do is to identify the place or the frame that you want to take the screenshot in your Shotcut. And in my case, I want to take a screenshot on this frame here at that spot. So make sure your playhead is here, your clip is selected there, and we have your playhead there. Now the next thing to do is to go to File here and tap on it. So if you tap on it, you can see we have an option called Export. Now if you select Export, you'll see we have several options such as Frame, Video, and Markers. So select the option called Frame, and if I tap on Frame, we shall have an option to go ahead and save it on our desktop. So I'll change this to Shotcut Image Frame, and then go ahead and save it. Now if I go to that file that I've just saved that frame, I should be able to find it, and that is my screenshot. So let me go ahead and look for it. Now if I go to my computer and then open the folder under which it was saved, now you see the image is here. Here we have our screenshot. So that's how you take a screenshot in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.